Hello, my name is Ben. We are going to tell you about military tactics and technology from the North, known as the Union Army. Here we have a gun engineering shop. This is one of the many places where weapons were made for the Union Army during the Civil War. The most common gun in the 1800s was the musket. In the Civil War, muskets were a very important weapon. In fact, it was the only gun invented at that time. The Union Army made a new weapon called the repeating rifle. This new rifle gave the North a significant advantage. Muskets took a long time to reload. It took 9 steps before a soldier could fire one bullet from a musket, and they were very inaccurate. The repeating rifle was a more automatic gun and had much better accuracy. This is a trench. Soldiers used trenches and dirt walls to defend their territories from enemies. Since most of the battles took place on open ground, soldiers built walls and dug trenches, which are deep ditches, in order to defend themselves. Trenches provide the soldiers with at least some protection from enemy fire and the ability to fire back without putting themselves into too much risk.
Thank you, Ben. Telegraph line was an important communication technology during the Civil War. It was used to send and receive messages, including from the hot air balloon Intrepid. The hydrogen gas hot air balloon, the Intrepid, was used to spy on the Confederate Army, and it was used by the Union. The Union had a total of 7 balloons to defeat the Confederate Army in the Civil War. Taking the high ground in the Civil War on the hill is a great advantage. First, it provides a wider field of view so that you can see stuff over there and over there. On the battlefield also, you can see cannons and the riflemen. And it's only from one outlook instead of multiple. Second, the sight of the balloon, the Intrepid, scared the Confederate soldiers, or intimidated. The high ground at Pickett's Charge at Gettysburg helped the North to win the Civil War. Here's a quote by Drew Goldfinch Faust. This quote is about the American Civil War, technology and humanity. It describes how the nations prepare for the war. The American Civil War produced carnage that has often been reserved for the combination of technological proficiency and inhumanity characteristic of a later time. This quote means to me that people used the newer technology to kill each other. That's like someone using a new iPad to cyberbully someone else. That's how I think.